Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2024 Honda CRV Smart Key.
All keys lost. What we need to prepare is the K518 Pro, OBD Communication Cable, and a new Honda Smart Key produced by Lonsdor. Now, plug in the OBD Communication Cable. The first step is to choose Smart Key Generation, Honda CRV. Select 4A's menu. Put the key produced by our Lonsdor into the card slot. Click Generation. Generate successfully. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Honda. Vehicle. Asia. Find CRV. Choose after 2023. Smart Key. Push button. Select all Smart Key lost. Click OK according to the prompts. Please turn off the ignition switch. Click OK. Put a Smart Key to be programmed in the car. Take out the other keys at a distance of more than 5 meters outside the car. Click OK. Press the start button twice. See if you can turn on the ignition switch, because what we do is all keys lost, so the ignition switch cannot be turned on. Click cancel. Long press the start button and don't release it. The ignition switch is turned on. Click OK. Enter the number of keys to program. OK. OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Please check whether the security light is off. Turn off and click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. The number of programmed keys is 1. Programming completed. Please turn off the ignition switch. Please turn on the ignition switch. Check whether the key can be used normally. Okay, let's try it. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. Lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2024 Honda CRV. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.